In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a page from a PDF document. Now, the website we're going to use is called tinywow.com. Now, all of the tools on here are completely free to use, and the tool that we're going to use is this one just here. Now, what I'll also do is link this down in the description so you can come through and have a little play. Now, once on here, all we have to do is select the file, the PDF, from our computer, or we can simply just drag it like this onto the website just here. Now, once we've done that, it's going to take a few seconds to upload, just like this. And now we have each individual page that we can look at. And if we want to delete any of these, we simply want to click onto the page that we want to delete, or multiple pages. It's going to put the page number just here as well. So let's do 3 just like that. So we've done page 4, page 7 and page 8. We can see that just here. Now if we click delete, we might get a reCAPTCHA, we might not, just like that. It's going to take a few seconds to process. Then we can simply click on download, save to device, and now we have our edited PDF with our pages which have been deleted. So that's just how simple it is to remove a page from a PDF document. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.